Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 260 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can I get the Steakhouse to go? The Terrazza outdoor areas. Are they no longer open to the public after 7 p.m.? Why'd you take the baked beans away from the breakfast buffet? Is there a limit on how big of a refillable water bottle I can bring on board? Empty, of course. And we're staying overnight in Bermuda. Will the casino be open while we're in port?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is sailing on the Carnival Dream and wanted to know if you can order from the Steakhouse, but get it to go. They would love to enjoy that lovely dinner on their balcony. John said no, they do not allow that from the Steakhouse as it is not that type of restaurant. That said, we've absolutely taken remainders, leftovers, back to the room and they let us do that. So, yeah, we couldn't eat everything because their portions are pretty darn big, but they did let us take it back, like a little bit of steak left over and a piece of cheesecake, which is delicious later, or there. But yes, you can take a little leftovers to go, but you can't order to go. Question two. This cruiser read that on the fun Italian-style ships that have the Terrazza outdoor areas, that they are no longer open to the public after 7 p.m., and they wanted to know if that was true. John said he had to go check on this, but he did come back and say that yes, it has been changed. And only guests wearing the wristbands are allowed in the Terrazza outdoor area. So if you want to enjoy this part of the ship, you will need to book a Terrazza cabin, just like it is on the ships with the Havana areas. We recently got off the Venezia, and at that point in time, after 7 p.m., the general public got on there. Not the biggest of deal because it really didn't get that packed, but I mean, if you're paying a premium for an area like that or Havana, it should be your area. So if you like the privacy of the Terrazzo area, you don't have to worry about it after 7 p.m. anymore because nobody's there. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. On to question three. This cruiser recently got off the Carnival Dream and was so disappointed to find out that the baked beans were no longer available at the breakfast buffet. They love getting the round hash browns and beans for breakfast. John said, yes, unfortunately they have been removed, and from what he understands, it's simply that so much went to waste and very few people ate them. We've been on a bunch of cruises, and I can tell you, I personally have never gotten them, maybe once. But that where they sit is pretty much always full, and I don't see them on many plates, so I can see that. I thought John for sure say no, it's because people were farting too much and they had to take them off the buffet. That would have been a John answer. Question four. This cruiser wanted to know if there's a limit on how large of a refillable water bottle they can bring on board. They want to bring one of their 64 ounces as they like to have a lot of water with them, and it will keep the ice much colder than the ice bucket in the room. John said they do not have a size limit on water bottles, so you can bring what you want. A 64 ouncer, that's a half gallon of water. So, I mean, I guess if you're using it to store ice and you're leaving it in the room, that kind of makes sense. But carrying around a half gallon of water, that's a lot of water, especially since there's so many refilling stations and stuff around the ship. Or if you got the drink package, you can get a bottle of water, no charge, doesn't count against your drinks. I don't know. But a 64 ouncer, you can bring a growler size one on board. The last question. This cruiser is going to Bermuda for 2 days and staying there overnight, but they wanted to know if the casino would be open while they were in port. They were just asking for a friend. John said, please give your friend the good news that the casinos are indeed open while they stay overnight in Bermuda. That's pretty cool. I remember eons ago when they would do an overnight or a really late night in Nassau, the casino would actually stay open there as well. So yeah, if you're going to Bermuda and it stays overnight, the casino's open. Yay! That's been episode 260 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.